welcome to my YouTube channel Harry's Breakthrough. Have you attended today's class on VICTERS channel? Very good. Our teachers are taking really good classes. Don't miss them. Today I'm going to take mathematics class for the students of Standard 6. This is your first mathematics class. Let's start today's class. First, let's play a game. Look at this picture. What you can see in this picture? There are 5 circles, right? Now, listen carefully. There are some instructions for this game. Here, in these circles, you have to write the numbers from 1 to 5. When we add from top to bottom and bottom corner to the left, the sum should be same. And do not repeat the numbers. Do you understand? I will give you the instructions one more time. Listen carefully. Instructions for this game are: arrange the numbers from 1 to 5 in these circles. Do not repeat numbers. The sum should be same when added from top to bottom corner and from bottom corner to the left. Can you fill these circles? Please try. Do you need a clue? Yes, I will give you a clue. You can write the number 5 on the corner circle. This is the clue for you. You can write number 5 at the corner circle. Now, can you try? One student filled like this. Look at this. Is this satisfies all the instructions? Let us check. What was the first instruction? The first instruction was you have to arrange the numbers from 1 to 5. She arranged the numbers from 1 to 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now what was the second instruction? Do not repeat the numbers. Here the numbers are not repeated. Then what was the third instruction? Yes, when we add from top to bottom and bottom corner to the left, the sum should be same. Let's check. Add from top to bottom. That means 1 plus 4 plus 5. What is the sum of 1, 4 and 5? It is 10. And when we add from bottom corner to the left, we will get 5 plus 3 plus 2. 5 plus 3 plus 2 is 10. That means the third instruction is also satisfies. The sum, when we add from top to bottom and bottom to the left, we will get the same sum. Likewise, another student filled these circles like this. Look at this. What is the difference between this and the previous one? In the previous one, we write 5 at the bottom corner. But here, the second student write 3 at the bottom right. Here the number at the bottom corner circle is 3. And the numbers are not repeated. And when we add from top to bottom, we will get 1 plus 5 plus 3. The sum is 1, 5 and 3 is 9. Okay. And when we add from bottom corner to the left, we will get 3 plus 4 plus 2. What is the sum of 3, 4 and 2? It is 9. That means the sum is same. When we add from top to bottom and bottom corner to the left, we will get the same sum. That means we can fill these circles in two different ways. Can you say how these students filled these circles? I will ask you a question. What is the sum of numbers from 1 to 5? The sum of numbers from 1 to 5? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 15. So, in the first type, the corner number is 5. She then subtracted 5 from 15. So, she subtracted 5 from 15 and she got the number 10. Then what she had done? She divided this 10 into 2 equal parts and arranged it into the both sides. When we divide 10 into 2 equal parts, we will get 5. So, we can arrange this 5 in 2 sides. Okay, here 5 is divided as 1 and 4 and the left side the 5 is divided as 2 and 3. In the second case, first the sum of numbers from 1 to 5 is 15 and then subtract the number at the corner. Subtract 3 from 15, we will get 12. Now divide this 12 into 2 equal parts. If we divide 12 into 2 equal parts, we will get the number 6. Then arrange this 6 in 2 sides. Here the 6 is divided as 1 and 5 and on the left side the 6 is divided as 2 and 4. Now can you do it yourself? Can you fill this? Remember the above two games, then try to fill this. Let's try. First, write 3 at the bottom corner. When we write 3 at the bottom corner, can we fill these circles? We know that the sum of numbers from 1 to 7 is 28. Sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 is equal to 28. Now we have to subtract the bottom corner number 3 from 28. When we subtract 3 from 28, we will get the number 25. Now, can we divide 25 into 2 equal parts? No, we can't divide 25 into 2 equal parts. So, that means the corner number cannot be 3. Okay, let's try with another number. Let's take 6. When we take 6 on the bottom corner and we subtract 6 from 28, we will get the number 22. Can we divide 22 into 2 equal parts? Yes, we can divide 22 into 2 equal parts. What we will get? When we divide 22 into 2 equal parts, we will get the number 11. And we have to arrange 11 on both sides. Okay. Here is the answer. Here the numbers are not repeated, and let's check the sum. When we add from top to bottom, what we will get? 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 7, it is 11. And 11 plus 6 is 17. Okay, when we add from top to bottom, we will get the number 17. Now, when we add from bottom corner to the left, what we will get? Let's check. 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 4. 11 plus 4 is 15. And 15 plus 2 is 17. That means when we add from top to bottom and bottom corner to the left, we will get the same number. In this way, we can fill these 7 circles. So, my dear friends, we have gone through 2 games. In the first game, we wrote 5 and 3 at the bottom corners. And in the second game, we wrote 6 at the bottom corner. Please listen carefully. Sum of 1 to 5 is 15. And when we subtract 5 from 15, we got 10. And when we subtract 3 from 15, we got 12. That means if we subtract an odd number from an odd number, we will get an even number. Here also 15 is an odd number and 5 is an odd number. When we subtract an odd number from an odd number, we will get an even number. Here also, when we subtract 3 from 15, that means an odd number from an odd number, we will get an even number. Likewise, that means when we subtract an odd number from an odd number, we will get an even number. That means when we subtract an even number from an even number, we will get an even number. Do you like this game? I hope you all like this game. So, now shall we play another game? Are you ready? First, draw a triangle in your notebook and write the number 9 inside the triangle. Look at this. Here you can see a triangle and the number 9 is written inside the triangle. There are some instructions for this game too. Please listen carefully. First, write the numbers from 1 to 6. Then arrange 3 numbers on each of its corners. Then arrange the remaining 3 numbers at the middle of each side. The sum of numbers on each side should be same. Do not repeat the numbers. Do you understand? I will repeat the instructions one more time. First one, arrange the numbers from 1 to 6 in this triangle. Write each numbers on each corners and write the remaining 3 numbers at the middle of each side. The sum of numbers on each side should be 9. Do not repeat the numbers. Now, let's start the game. Look at this triangle. Is this triangle satisfies all the instructions? Let's check. Here, the numbers are not repeated. Let's check the sum of numbers on each side. On this side, the sum of numbers 4, 2 plus 3. 4 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 9. And the second side, 3 plus 6 plus 1 is equal to 10. And on the third side, 4 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 10. That means the sum on two sides are same, but the sum of numbers on third side is different. So, this triangle does not satisfy all the instructions. So, let's try another way. Look at this. Shall we get same sum on each side? Let us check. On the first side, the numbers are 1, 6 and 2. And on the second side, 2, 4 and 3. And third side, 1, 5 and 3. So the sum is 1 plus 6 plus 2 is equal to 9. 2 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 9. And on the third side, 1 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 9. That means the sum of numbers on all the sides are same. So how we arrange the numbers? We wrote 1, 2 and 3 at its corners and 4, 5, 6 on its sides. That means consecutive numbers 1, 2, 3 are written on its corners and 4, 5, 6 are written on its sides. Let's try another triangle. Look at this. Here, the number 10 is written inside the triangle. That means the sum of numbers on each side should be 10. In the previous triangle, the sum of numbers on each side is 9. In this triangle, the sum of numbers on each side should be 10. How we can arrange this? So in the first triangle, we have written consecutive numbers at its corners, and in the second triangle, we wrote odd numbers at its corners. From this, we can make some conclusions. Look at this. Here, 2 plus 6 plus 1 is equal to 9. That means two even numbers and an odd number. If we add two even numbers and an odd number, we will get an odd number. This is the first conclusion. The sum of two even numbers and an odd number is an odd number. Second conclusion, 1 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 9. Here, the sum of three odd number is an odd number. That is the second conclusion. The sum of three odd numbers is an odd number. Look at the third one. 5 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 12. Here, two odd numbers and an even number. The sum of two odd numbers and an even number is an even number. And look at the fourth one. 6 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 12. The sum of three even number is an even number. These are the conclusions we can make from the previous game. Now, this is an activity for you. Try to do the below triangles yourself. Here, two triangles are given. In the first triangle, the number 11 is written inside the triangle. So, the sum of numbers on each side should be 11. And on the second triangle, the number 12 is written. That means the sum of numbers on each side should be 12. So try to do these two triangles and send your answers to your mathematics teacher. Let's wind up today's class. I hope you all enjoyed this class. If you like this class, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And to get the notification of upcoming videos, please press the bell icon. Thank you all.